Can Scandinavian heritage be traced through DNA testing? Have you ever wondered if your roots might lead back to the stunning landscapes of Scandinavia? Many people are curious about their ancestry and how DNA testing can reveal connections to this fascinating region. So, can Scandinavian heritage be traced through DNA testing? The answer is yes, but there are some important details to consider. DNA tests look at specific genetic markers that are more common in people from Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and Iceland. These markers can help identify traits linked to Scandinavian ancestry. They can also show migration patterns and connections to Viking heritage. There are a few different types of DNA testing that can help you trace your Scandinavian roots. First, there is autosomal DNA testing. This method examines your overall genetic makeup inherited from all your ancestors. It can detect Scandinavian ancestry from multiple family lines over the past several generations. Next, we have Y-DNA testing. This type focuses on the direct paternal line, tracing your father's lineage. It can help identify Viking or Scandinavian ancestry passed down from father to son. On the other hand, mitochondrial DNA testing looks at the maternal line, tracing your heritage from mother to child. This can reveal Scandinavian maternal roots. It is essential to understand that there is no single Scandinavian gene. Instead, DNA tests identify clusters of genetic traits that are more frequent in Scandinavian populations. However, these traits can also be found in neighboring regions due to historical migrations and intermarriage. For instance, Scandinavian DNA is often present in parts of Northern Europe, such as the British Isles, Germany, Poland, and the Baltic states. This is largely due to Viking expansion and settlement. Interestingly, Vikings were genetically diverse, carrying genes from Southern Europe and Asia. Their identity was more about culture and society than strict genetics. This means that some individuals associated with Viking heritage may not have distinct Scandinavian genetic markers. In practical terms, Scandinavian DNA testing can help you confirm or discover your Scandinavian ancestry beyond what family records may show. It can connect you with living relatives who share similar roots. Additionally, it can provide insights into the migration routes of your ancestors, such as Danish Vikings moving to England or Norwegian Vikings settling in Iceland. From a Scandinavian perspective, DNA testing serves as a modern tool to connect with the rich heritage of the region. It complements historical and genealogical research by adding a genetic dimension to understanding your roots in Scandinavia and the broader Nordic world. So, if you are curious about your Scandinavian heritage, DNA testing can be a fascinating journey into your ancestry.